everyone, welcome to Traders Cup Ninja. Our today topic is trend line. Today we are going to learn trend line. Trend line is a straight line that is drawn on a price chart to visually represent the direction and strength of a trend in a financial market, such as stocks or forex or commodities. Trend lines are a fundamental tool in a technical analysis and are used to help traders and investors identify and understand the market trend. There are two primary types of trend line. First one is uptrend, ascending trend line. It is characterized by higher highs and higher lows. To draw this trend line, you connect the successive higher lows on the price chart with a straight line. This line represents the supports of the uptrend and indicates that the price is moving upwards. This one is a Dow Jones 2-hour chart. How to draw a ascending trend line? First, to identify the uptrend. How to identify the uptrend? This particular trend is an uptrend. Then how to identify higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, higher lows. So this particular trend is an uptrend. Then how to draw a ascending trend line? You have to connect with the successive higher lows. This one is a higher low and this one is a higher low, higher lows and higher lows. You have to connect with the successive higher lows. This is a swing low and this particular level is a swing high. You have to draw this particular level. This is an ascending trend line. This is a way to draw a ascending trend line. Then where to enter the trade? We want to know about the where to enter the trade. Here, this particular ascending trend line will act as a support in this uptrend. This particular ascending trend line will act as a support in this uptrend. Look at this level. This particular level is a pullback. This one is a pullback. And here, this is also a pullback. Look at this level. Market was acted as a support here. In this level, market was acted as a support. So, here buyers are entering to this level. Here also buyers are entering to this level. So, this particular higher low was acted as a support. This particular ascending trend line will acted as a support. So, we have to enter to this level or to this level or to this level. So, this is a way to approach ascending trend line. Next one is downtrend, descending trend line. It is characterized by lower lows and lower highs. To draw this trend line, you connect the successive lower highs on the price chart with a straight line. This line represents the resistance of the downtrend and indicates that price is moving downwards. This is a same Dow Jones 2-hour chart. Here, how to draw a descending trend line? First, you have to identify the downtrend. How to identify this particular trend is a downtrend? Here, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. So, this is a downtrend. Then, how to draw a descending trend line? You have to connect with the successive lower highs. Successive lower highs. You have to connect with the successive lower highs. You will get a descending trend line. This is a swing high and this one is a swing low. So, you have to connect with the lower highs. Successive lower highs. You will get a descending trend line. This particular descending trend line will act as a resistance. In every time market will touch the trend line, it was acted as a resistance. So, we want to know about the where to enter the trade. Here where to, this is a downtrend. This particular line is the descending trend line. We have to connect with the successive lower highs. We want to know about the where to enter the trade. That means in this level, it was acted as a resistance. Market will touch to this descending trend line. It was acted as a resistance. Here also it was acted as a resistance, market will come down. So here you have to enter a sell entry here, you have to enter a sell entry here, or you have to enter a sell entry here. This is a way to approach descending trend line. In this chart, this particular trend is a downtrend. How to identify this particular trend is a downtrend? Here, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So we have to connect with the successive lower highs, we will get a descending trend line. Market was acted as a resistance to this trend line. So we have to take a sell entry at to this level, and to this level and to this level. What will be happen to this particular price level? Here it was acted as a resistance. To this descending trend line will acted as a resistance. We have to take a sell entry. Here trend line breakout happened. So previously it was a downtrend. Now the trend will be changed into uptrend. How to identify this particular trend is an uptrend? Here higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We have to connect with the successive higher lows, and then we will get a ascending trend line. So this particular ascending trend line will act as a support. So we have to take a buy entry when the market will touch to this ascending trend line. Previously it was a downtrend. This particular descending trend line will act as a resistance. We have to take a sell entry. Here trend line breakout will be happen. The trend will be changed into uptrend. So we have to draw a ascending trend line to connect with the successive higher lows. We will get a proper support level. Ascending trend line will act as a support. So we have to take a buy entry at to this level and to this level. This is a way to approach the trend line. Next video we will learn about the new topic. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.